I'll be sharing about how you can use photos for coaching, a session that I did for myself. Many people has asking me like, so who you are, Jennifer, what do you really do? And I can tell you I do a lot of things. And I still tell you I do a lot of things. So being a coach is one of my identity. So I'll be doing this workshop about photo coaching, and I'll be sharing all the wisdom that I know. My only class that I'm doing, because I will be moving off from the space. Because I do a lot of things, right, as I mentioned. So do come and join me. I'm only taking 20 participants, and as of now I have 18 slots left. Registration is in the link below, so you can check it out. There's a preview that I'll be doing the sharing as well if you are interested to find out, or you can PM me. So I mean the photograph has given me a very interesting perspective, so I will be doing some actionable plans for it. And yeah, I probably won't be teaching this class in the future, and so join me if you are interested to juice up everything that I know about phototherapies, about photo coachings. I forgot about the benefits that you'll be getting as well. So I will be also offering this Solopreneur Mastery Club. It is a club that is created by my business partner and myself, and we are wanting to help more solopreneur, like a lot of coaches or a lot of whatever business that you're in. Actually, like whatever business that you are in, as long as you don't have anyone that you're managing and you are at one person doing everything together, you are considered a solopreneur. So it is a club where we intimately build each other, help each other, and support each other. It is a lifetime membership. Only is the amount of money that you're paying, $300, you're actually getting the membership. You're getting me, like for a lifetime kind of things. And I look forward to see you.